Waterfalls are typically generated as lakes flow into valley in high mountains in the upper course of a river because of their location in the topography. Many waterfalls occur over bedrock with little contributing area, making them ephemeral and only flowing during rainstorms or considerable snowmelt. A waterfall might be more perennial the further downstream it is. Waterfalls come in a variety of widths and depths. Because waterfalls can limit dispersal along streams, they can a significant element in controlling the distribution of lotic creatures like fish and aquatic invertebrates. Differences in trophic regimes above the below waterfalls can be caused by the presence or lack of specific species, which can have cascading ecological implications. Certain aquatic insects are also experts in the waterfall's habitat. Waterfalls have an impact of terrestrial creatures as well. They generate a small micromelate in their immediate proximity, which is cooler and more humid than the surrounding area and may sustain a variety of moss and liverwort communities. Distant populations of these plants may exist in waterfall zones distinct from their primary area. Several bird species like the black-tipped and white-throated dipper use waterfalls as nesting sites. These species prefer to nest under the falling water, which is regarded to be a prediction avoidance tactic. We can establish waterfalls types by geometric classifications. There are 12 types of waterfalls. Those are lung, horsetail, fan, punch bowl, block, tide, segmented, cascades, chutes, scree, slide, and river. Waterfalls also aid in the conversion of trash that flows in the water into nutrients that aid plant growth. This is feasible because they pass over rocks before flowing into rivers and lakes, allowing bacteria to proliferate and aid in the decomposition of garbage.